Hi everyone, welcome to Full Circle Trader. I hope everyone is fine and healthy. So in this video, I'm going to talk about a very popular stock, which is Adani Wilmar. So many viewers have requested me to talk about the stock because it has been a super performer lately. So I'm going to share some of the important updates. So with that, let's get started. So as you can see, this stock has been a very super performer lately, and it has given a breakout from a base, which was around 395.90. It has given two breakouts continuously. So this is the first breakout and this one is the second breakout. But the important point to note here is that both the breakouts did not have any spike in the volume, which means that these breakouts were not supported by the high volume, which is, which as a trader, we really look for, because when a breakout comes with a heavy volume, that shows that there are a lot of traders, especially the big money, which has entered into the stock. However, that being said, this trend which this stock has given has no pivot along the way. The absence of the pivot tells us that this trend has a lot of strength in it. However, the drawback point here is that when there is no pivot along the way, which means that if prices, let's say, starts to move down, there will be nothing to the left to stop the prices. Now, apart from that, as we know that the minor support area is 395 and the current prices is around 636, which means that now the prices have accelerated so much from its base. And if, let's say, prices starts to move down, the support is at very lower level. Secondly, the difference between the price and this 20-period moving average is also high. Now, such kind of scenario tells us that if prices, let's say, starts to move down, it might come back to its average. The scenario is called as a mean reversion. Now, the third important point is that at this location where we have this red bar ignore, or RBI as we call it, it was a very bullish price action, and we have opens and closes at the same levels. This could act as a point of reference if prices will start to move down. Let me just clean this up and let me just show you what this level is. So this is around 491 to 509 level. So this could act as a support. Otherwise, we have the first reference point for a minor support at around 395. Now, with that, let's just move on to 60-minute to see what kind of price action we have there. So as we can see that, prices have accelerated and they've been trending up from a very long time. And then we have this deeper pullback, which has created this support zone here. Now, after such a strong move to the upside, prices have came back up again all the way back to its highs after this deeper pullback. Now, this tells us that this price action might create a M-top pattern, which is a super bearish pattern. If, let's say, that pattern turns out on the chart and if prices come back down to the support zone, then we will buy the stock only if it will again show a bullish pattern. So let me just show you that what this zone, the bands of these zones are. So it is around 551 to 542. So this is a zone, and if prices will come back down, then we might buy only if there is a strong pattern and if this zone will not get broken. So with that, we have as of now kind of neutral to bearish scenario in Adani Wilmar. And I think as a trader, or especially as a swing trader, we should wait for some time until and unless it come back to its original support area. And then we will go long in this stock, as it is a very strong stock and we can, take a swing position in this stock. However, as I'm repeating it again, we will buy it only at a proper support area. So with that, let's wrap the session and hope you have enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.